What? She's delicious.
Helen! Gone! Forever!
She was so young!
She was going to be the future ex-Mrs. Joe!
Look, it was the only way to save you guys from yourselves and to save everyone else from you guys. Do you knuckleheads realize that you almost destroyed your friendships, not to mention the entire town over a pancake?
Yeah.
Guess things did get a little out of hand.
We never should have fought each other.
Thank you, Patricia. You really opened our eyes, and now we can all get along and work together.
To get revenge on you for taking Helen from us.
It was just a pancake, guys! It was a pancake!
No!